Good day, sir, and good day, everyone. We are the Group 5 of BSMT 115, and we will discuss about the topic, analyze the impact of liquid free surface on vessel stability within tanks or compartments. So, in introduction, a liquid free surface refers to the interference between a liquid and the surrounding air or another medium where the liquid is unconstrained by the walls of a container or a vessel. In other words, it is the boundary separating the liquid from the atmosphere or any other material, allowing the liquid to move freely in response to external forces such as a gravity or vessel motion. This free surface is characterized by its ability to change shape and level, influenced by factors like container movement, surface tension, and external disturbance. So in discussion, when a ship has partially filled tanks or compartments, the motion of the liquid within those spaces can significantly affect the ship's stability. Here how it works. First is the free surface effect. Imagine a tank or compartment that is only partially filled with a liquid such as a fuel, water, or cargo. When the ship rolls or pitches due to the waves or the external forces, the liquid inside this partially filled space tends to shift. As the ship inclines, heels over, the liquid moves to the lower side of the tank or compartment. The shift of liquid creates a free surface effect that impacts the ship's stability. So, number 2, center of gravity shift. Initially, when the ship is upright, the liquid's free surface is at a certain level, or let's call it AA1, or refers to angle of heel. So when the ship inclines to a certain angle, the free surface of the liquid changes now into TT1, which is refers to the initial transverse metrocentric height of the vessel. So simultaneously, the center of buoyancy shift from B to B1. As a result, the center of the gravity CG of the liquid almost shift into G to G1, or acceleration due to gravity.
Number 3. Metacentric height reductions. The weight distribution within the ship changes due to the liquid shift. The overall center of gravity of the ship also shifts to a new position. The resultant effect is that the metacentric height decreases. The metacentric height is crucial for stability. The higher it is, the more stable the ship. Number 4. Virtual center of gravity. The free surface effect causes the resultant weight of the entire system to act through a virtual point higher than the actual center of gravity of the ship. This virtual center of gravity is obtained by extending a vertical line from the new center of gravity to the ship's center line.
Reduced stability. The reduction in metacentric height GM due to the free surface effect makes the ship less stable. The rating GZ also decreases. In extreme cases, the ship may become unstable, risking capsizing. Mitigation measures. To avoid the free surface effects, design tanks and compartments to be fully filled whenever possible. Minimize the use of partially filled tanks. Use baffles or anti-sloshing device to reduce liquid movement.
The liquid-free surface within tanks or compartments presents a formidable challenge to vessel stability, demanding careful consideration in maritime operations. It presents alters critical parameters such as the metacentric height, diminishing the vessel's ability to resist tilting forces and increasing the risk of capsizing. The dynamic forces generated by the free surface effect further exacerbate stability concerns, hindering corrective maneuvers and potential amplifying rolling motions. Additionally, the sloshing of liquid within compartments introduces complexities to the vessel's roll characteristics, necessitating measures to prevent resonance phenomena that could compromise stability. Effective management of liquid distribution, coupled with adherence to robust stability criteria, is essential to mitigate these risks and uphold safety standards in maritime transportation. Overall, understanding and addressing the impact of liquid-free surface on vessel stability is paramount to ensuring the safe and efficient operation of vessel in diverse environmental conditions.